Let's take one person who has hurted you before. When you see him again, would you go and kill him? No, right? But were you not capable of killing him? Of course, yes. Then what stopped you by doing that? That is nothing but your core values. Similarly, at College Innovators, we work on 7 core values to become independent. The first core value is all about being independent. How should be your life when you get into a restaurant? Do you want to see the right column where prices are written, or do you want to choose whatever you want without looking at the price tag? Obviously the second one, right? Being independent is all about having the freedom of time, freedom of choice, freedom of decision making, freedom of finance, and lot more. The second core value is all about growth. What happens to a glass of water if it is kept for 7 days without touching it? It will get contaminated, right? Exactly. That is the principle of nature. Anything that settles will soon decay. So it is very important to keep yourself growing to the next level and not settling for less. The third core value is all about clarity. Let us consider you are driving a new car on a highway. If the road is filled with full of fog, is it easy to drive? No, right? You might get into an accident. In the same way, in life, if you don't have clarity, you will be either in distraction or in depression. It's very important having the clarity so that you can move in the right direction. The fourth core value is all about momentum. Imagine you are driving at high speed and suddenly you got one speed breaker. You have to slow down. Once you cross that, you should start from zero back again, isn't it? In the similar way, one single day gap in taking action is just like going over a speed breaker. Next day, it will be just like starting from day one. Therefore, momentum is absolutely necessary. The fifth core value is all about lifestyle. How would you feel if your life was something like this? You walk into any mall and could pick anything you like, or go into your favorite destination without worrying about your office or money. How it would be if your every single day is a holiday for you. That's exactly why you need lifestyle, to keep your inner child happy. The sixth core value is all about abundance. Abundance is a stage where your life was not short of anything. Every single dimension of your life was completely in balance. The dimensions of life are personal mastery, career and business, wealth and lifestyle, love and relationship, health and happiness. This is the stage where everything is abundant for you. The seventh core value is all about contribution. Lot more people in this world need a helping hands. The final and most important value what we focus on is contribution. It could be in the form of knowledge, in the form of finance, and many more. Giving out a hand to those who can grow with our support is all about contribution.